How to fix cannot add account in Windows 10 Mail and Calendar app. So if you want to fix cannot add account in Windows 10 or 11 Mail and Calendar app, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with the apps section. Under apps, you can go with your default apps or installed apps, and here you need to search for Mail and Calendar. After that, you will find your Mail and Calendar. So you need to click on it, and here you need to click on the Calendar option. Under that, you can go with your advanced options, and then you can go with reset. And after resetting your calendar or your mail app, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply search for Microsoft Store. From your Microsoft Store, here you can go with your profile, which is on the top right. And from the profile, you can go with settings. And under settings, here you will have your app update. So make sure that the automatic app update option is turned on. After that, you just need to simply go with your home tab. And here you need to search for mail and calendar. Once you find your mail and calendar, if you have any updates under the application, you just need to simply go and update the applications. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply right click on your Windows, and here you will have Windows PowerShell. Right click on your Windows PowerShell and run as admin. After that, here you just need to simply copy and paste the command that is in the description below. And after that, you need to hit the enter, and it might fix your problem. Once you've done with all of these, you need to go and reset or restart your device. Go with Windows, and then you need to go with power and then go with restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.